welcome back. It's spring, well, nearly. Today is the 15th of March when I'm recording this, and so I think on the 20th is the spring equinox, so 5 days from now. But yeah, I've come out to one of my favourite little woodlands. I've been here many times, camped here loads, done many videos here, and yeah, everything's starting to bloom and come out. The lords and ladies are out. Unfortunately, there's no wild garlic in this woods, but there's some near here, so I'm going to go and maybe check that out later. But yeah, everything just starting to push through the ground, come up. Trees are starting to bud. There's loads of blossom on the hedgerow with the hawthorn and blackthorn. So it's starting to happen, and it feels like we're out of the dark months now. So the evenings are getting lighter as well as the mornings. Clocks change at the end of the month. It's yeah, it's all looking good. So I came out here 2 weeks ago with my friend Tom, and I put this up. It's a Trailcam, and I've had it running the whole time, and I've just come back to collect it, and it's got loads of footage on it. I think it's mainly munkjack, but I will take it home, stick it on my computer, and go through it all and add it to this. I did spot one that seemed to have 3 legs, so that's going to take a bit more investigating to see if that was just me not looking at it properly, or if that is the case. And there was definitely a hair on it at one point, but yeah, loads of clips that I need to work through. Some probably won't be any good, but I'm sure there'll be some good stuff in there as well. I just love seeing what's out here in the woodland. I've seen munkjack deer many times, hare, badger, yeah, foxes, and you hear them at night when you're here as well. There's a lot of bird of prey that circle around, buzzards and kites, things like that. And so the last few years, especially when I couldn't do much, when I had my hernia, I was just like nature, get as much nature as I can. And I was, going for walks, taking binoculars with me, just seeing what I can spot, and just trying to learn as much as I could about it as well. While I'm here, might as well make the most of it. I'm going to have myself a brew and just sit and chill in one of my favourite spots. This is one of my favourite things to do. Just come out, boil up some water, make a hot drink, and just sit out in nature and enjoy it, and listen to the sounds of wildlife around me. Normally there is a lot more bird song in these woods, but I think because it's so windy at the moment, it's a bit quiet, or probably because I came crashing through earlier. They've all gone off and haven't come back yet. But yeah, normally there's a lot more going on around here. There has been the odd bird of prey call I've heard. I don't know what type it is, but they've been flying over a few times. But yeah, just good way to reset and decompress from a busy week. Well, I've really enjoyed that, but now it's time to pack away and get out of here. The sky is darkening up a bit, so I wouldn't be surprised if a bit of rain's on its way, so I'd like to get out before then. But yeah, stay tuned for footage from the trail cam, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.